to my topic, construction of rhombus. Rhombus is the parallelogram with all sides equal. What is first property of rhombus? All sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Note down example 1. Construct a rhombus. 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 If one side, if one side, if one side, if one side is 5 centimeter and one angle is one angle is 30 degree. Solution. Firstly, I want to draw rough sketch. Yes, we know property of rhombus. Each and every side is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Right? Now I'm starting this construction. Concentrate everyone here. Firstly, I want to draw line segment PQ 5 centimeter. 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 Now take Q as a center. Draw, construct 30-degree angle. Take Q as a center. Construct 30-degree angle. Take Q as a center. Construct 30-degree angle. by using protractor. -30° angle. Okay. Take Q as a center, construct 30-degree angle. Now, again take Q as a center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter, because in rhombus all sides are equal. With the help of compass, I want to cut one 5 centimeter arc. Keep your metal point at point Q, P. Keep your metal point at point Q. Cut one arc of radius 5 centimeter. Right. Again, this point is R point. Again, take R as a center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Take R as a center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Right? Take R as a center, draw an arc of radius, 5 centimeter. Again, take P as a center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Now both arcs are intersecting at point, yes. Now join both arcs are intersecting at point, yes. This is construction of rhombus PQRS. Write down step 1. Draw line segment PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Draw line segment PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Step 2. Step 2. Take Q as a center. Take Q as a center. Construct 30-degree angle of radius 30-degree angle of an arc of radius of an arc of radius 5 centimeter 5 centimeter at point R. Step 3. Take R as a center. Take R as a center. Take R as a center. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter at point. Yes. Step 4. Take P as a center. Take P as a center. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter, comma. Both these arcs meet at point S. Meet at point S. Step 4. Join PS and RS. Step 5. Join Step 5. Join PS and RS. Hence, PQRS is the required rhombus. Hence, PQRS is the required rhombus. Join PS and RS. Hence, PQRS is the required rhombus. Example 2. Now I am going to explain if they have given two diagonals, then how to do construction. Construct a rhombus. Construct a rhombus. Construct a rhombus if two diagonals are construct a rhombus if two diagonals are 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Yes. Firstly, we want to draw a rough sketch. Solution. Rough sketch. Firstly, I want to draw a rough sketch. First diagonal I have taken 6 centimeter. And we know this SQ length is the bisector of length PQ. Then half of length will be up and half of length will be down. Total length is 7 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter will be up and 3.5 centimeter will be down. Draw this rough sketch, everyone. This construction is very easy construction. Yes. Now I am going to start my construction. Firstly, give 10 line gaps, everyone. Draw line segment PR, and PR is what? Diagonal. Draw line segment PR. Draw line segment PR. Draw line segment PR 6 centimeter by using scale. Draw line segment PR by using scale. Six centimeter. Right. Yes. This length is what? PR length. Now I want to do bisector of PR. I want to do bisector of PR length. Bisector means more than half length will take, but diagonal will divide into equal parts. But bisector will take always more than half arc, but diagonal will be half of up and half of down. Now I want to do bisector of PR length by using compass. I want to keep my metal point at point P. More than half length you can take. One arc up, same arc down. Again take R as a center. One arc up. Again same arc down. Right. Draw one perpendicular line. Draw one perpendicular line by using scale. Draw perpendicular line. Why we are dividing student? Because diagonal is 6 centimeter. It will divide into two parts. 3 length will come this side and 3 length will come right side. This point I have assumed O point. I will extend this length. Next, now 3 point total length I want to measure. Total length I want to measure 7 centimeter, means 3.5 up and 3.5 down. 3.5 up and 3.5 down. Suppose I am assuming this is 3.5 up and this is 3.5 down. Now join this. Okay. Now this is P, Q, R. Yes, this we can take A, this we can take B. Now up length is 3.5 centimeter, down length also 3.5 centimeter, and this complete diagonal is 6 centimeter. Are you getting my point? Is there any doubt? Why we are taking bisector, student? Because half of length we want up and half of length we want down. Now we can join P, PS and down, means all four length we can join. This is construction of rhombus if they have given two diagonals. If we want to construction of rhombus, if they have given two diagonals, firstly we want to do bisector of first diagonal. bisector of first diagonal. After bisecting first diagonal, half of length we can take up and half of length we can take down, because total length is 7 centimeter. Right, everyone? Yeah. Students, you can write step by themselves. Okay. Step is very easy. Draw line segment. PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Next, bisect line PR. Bisect line PR. Yeah, we can write draw a perpendicular bisector AB with cuts PR at O. Next step, from the point O, draw arc of radii 3.5 centimeter that cuts OA at point S and OB at point Q respectively. Next, join PQ, QR, RS and PS. Hence, PQRS is the required rhombus. Thank you, class.